Delete your stochastic RSI once and for all, because in this video I will show you an indicator on TradingView that will make you 10 times more gains. This tool is much smoother than stochastic and does not give false signals. In this step-by-step video tutorial, I will give you detailed instructions on how to turn this indicator into a profitable trading strategy, which will make you a living. Are you interested? If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our fast-growing community. As usual, before we begin, I would like to emphasize that this technical analysis indicator can be used for trading highly volatile cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and Forex pairs. The most suitable time frames for this indicator are 5 and 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. It can also be used for swing trading on a daily time frame. To apply this indicator on your chart, log into your TradingView account and open any market. Currently, I am monitoring the Solana price chart on the 15-minute time frame. Open the indicators and search for the Stochastic Momentum Index. Select this one by surgically. Before we do anything else, let's open the indicator's inputs and change the stochastic line color from black to white. Just like a regular stochastic RSI indicator, this tool does not have many components. Its main features are the stochastic line, which acts as a primary signal source, the exponential moving average, which smooths out the stochastic line, and the top and bottom bands. When the stochastic line crosses the upper band, it indicates overbought market conditions. Buyers should prepare to close their long positions, and sellers should prepare to sell the security. Final confirmation is when a stochastic and EMA line cross each other. The opposite is true when the stochastic line crosses the lower band to the downside. At this time, the security is perceived as oversold, which means sellers should consider closing their short positions while buyers enter the market. Final call is when the stochastic white line crosses the EMA to the upside. This type of strategy can work well in trending market conditions. For example, in an uptrend, when the market makes higher highs and higher lows, it is a smart idea to buy at the dip and sell at the top. Stochastic Momentum Index can spot these entries and exits with ease. When it becomes oversold and the price is near a trend line or a moving average, it is time to buy the security. To exit the trade with this strategy, you should first wait for the stochastic to become oversold and then for a bearish cross. The benefit of using this type of strategy is that you can open and close trades relatively early. This allows you to capture really big moves. In order to sell the stock with this method, you first need to ensure the market is in a downtrend. A downtrend is characterized by lower lows and lower highs in price. The goal is to sell the security at the peak of the retracement and buy at the bottom. To do that, simply wait for the price to retrace either to the EMA or resistance. Check the Stochastic Momentum Index for overbought conditions. A bearish cross should be your final signal. Keep the trade open until stochastic becomes oversold. Pretty easy, right? Indeed, the strategy looks easy in hindsight. However, the hardest part is identifying the trend correctly and ensuring you do not open a trade when the market starts losing momentum like it does here, for example. To solve this issue, I strongly suggest adding a good trend indicator to the chart. I will give you two options. The first option is to install the Advanced Exponential Smoothing Indicator by Astride Unicorn. This is one of the best moving average cloud indicators I've ever encountered. It smooths out the price, giving you a more easy-to-read data. Instead of manually drawing trend lines or using outdated moving averages and wondering if your technical analysis is correct, apply this indicator to your chart and read the price action easily. Before using this indicator, it is recommended to make some changes to the settings. Open the indicator's inputs and set the length to 100. Change the alpha to 1. Once you are finished, open the Style section and disable these two plots. Reduce the background opacity to 60%. Please pay close attention as I'm about to show you how to combine these two indicators into one profitable strategy. So, as we've learned previously, to take maximum advantage of the Stochastic Momentum Index, we need to identify the trend first. The advanced exponential smoothing indicator indicates a positive trend when the price is closed above the cloud and the cloud is green in color. The second rule is to have the stochastic momentum index oversold. Lastly, check for a bullish cross on the stochastic. If at the time of the cross the price is closed below or inside the cloud, skip the trade. Place the stop loss at the recent swing low. You can set a fixed profit target or close the trade manually when the stochastic becomes overbought. For a short trade, check the trend first. The price must fall below the cloud, and the cloud should be in red. The next condition is an overbought signal on the stochastic momentum index. Check if the price is closed below the cloud when a bearish cross occurs. Open a short trade if all the requirements are met. Apply the same money management rules as for long trades. This trading strategy can be highly effective in 15 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hours timeframes. It is suitable for trading crypto, stocks, and futures. For the second indicator option, I have a truly wonderful script. It is called Easy Algo. With this tool on your chart, you will see data unavailable to 90% of traders. Multiple trading setups can be created with this indicator. Let me show you the one that works well for me. For this setup, you'll need to hide buy and sell signals, enable 4-hour key levels with the quantity set to 3. Also, uncheck golden pockets, candle coloring, reversal signals, and volume profile. Enable the trend dashboard. Here's the strategy with these two indicators combined that can uncover profitable trade opportunities hidden from the majority of traders. A long setup looks as follows. First, price breaks above the major key resistance, which becomes new support. Second, the market revisits the support level to fulfill all pending buy orders. During the retracement, the stochastic momentum index becomes oversold. Finally, check the bias on the dashboard. The reason this indicator is so powerful is because it gives you an instant understanding of what's going on in the market. Just by looking at the dashboard, you can tell if the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. If the bias is positive on the majority of timeframes at the time the stochastic indicator gives a signal, the signal is valid. Easy Algo V10 is a premium indicator considered the most versatile and effective on TradingView, but this is only the tip of the iceberg. On the Easy Trades VIP Discord community, you can benefit so much more by copying profitable trading signals. You can also get help passing funded challenges and learn dozens of high win rate strategies that will serve you for a lifetime. This is an excellent investment in yourself as a trader. If you're serious about your trading career, join the Easy Trades family today and thank me later. The link will be attached to the video description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.